Today, your job is to build the simple moving average crossover strategy in QuantConnect. In Initialize, set your date range and starting cache. Add SPY, then create two simple moving average indicators, a fast one with a 10-day period and a slow one with a 50-day period. In OnData, check whether both indicators are ready before doing anything else. Indicators need enough data to warm up before their values are reliable. Once they are ready, apply the rule. If the fast average just crossed above the slow average and you are not already invested, buy SPY. If the fast average just crossed below the slow average and you are holding SPY, sell it. QuantConnect has a built-in method that detects crossovers. Use it instead of comparing the values yourself. Run the backtest, notice how many times it trades, compare the result to your buy and hold baseline. That is the task: two indicators, two conditions, one crossover check.